Hello! Today we are installing the FlippyDrive. If you don't know what that is, basically it's a mod chip for the GameCube, like a really premium mod chip. I ordered this 9 months ago and it's taken that long for them to find the parts to make it, assemble it and get it to me. 9 months is a long time. First things first, let's get rid of all this mess. Okay, this is definitely a hair up situation. Nice. Okay, we're going to start by flipping this upside down, taking out these 4 screws with this security game bit driver. Oh, Zelda, what are you doing in there? You can go out, you can go somewhere safe. Stick you there. Oh my god, this thing is so dusty. Look at this. Ugh. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so now we're inside. We actually need to take this bit off. And this bit just pries forwards from the sides. Oh, there we go. And then that pops off there. Now here we have a very delicate ribbon cable. Ice cream. Okay, so now we need to get this delicate ribbon cable and give it a little wiggle. Take that out. Just put that gently to one side. Now I need a small Phillips head screwdriver to get these 2 tiny bits on top of here out. Now do try and not get any ice cream into your GameCube. I need 2 hands for this. I'll be right back. Okay, I've gone in for a closer shot. God damn, this is fiddly. Alright, that's those out. So now I need to go around it and take out these ones. There's a couple more down here. There's one here, and some hidden underneath the fan. Oh, this bit comes off as well, much like the front bit. This fan pulls out slightly to the side, so I can get to these screws here, and this one here. Oh, okay. Well, this is exciting. What the FlippyDrive actually does is allow you to play backups of games you actually own. If you don't own them, then it's piracy. Piracy is a crime. And the last time I checked, crime is illegal. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's empty. Just kidding. Okay, so we got a little 3D printed bracket, a fancy ribbon cable, and the actual FlippyDrive itself. Okay, so with this cool little ribbon cable, what we do is we fold it in a weird origami style like this into a little W shape. But yeah, I think the key here is to not go too crazy with it, not fold it really hard, so that can go just like this into the center like that. Oh, beautifully snug. God, that's really satisfying. This folds back down like this. I think that bit just pops up there, which is fine. Now this bit goes up and around here like that. Okay, now as I'm putting this on, this tiny little bit of ribbon cable here needs to fit just through this microscopic little slot just there. Okay, I think that's about it. That made a noise. That made a kind of click crunch noise, but I think it's a good click crunch noise. I hope. Now I've got this cool little bracket here, which is going to hold the FlippyDrive in place. Do you know what? I think my lighting is terrible here. I'm going to move the camera around. Okay, yeah, that is a lot more agreeable for lighting. Okay, now let's put in all those other millions of screws. Flippin' heck, these screws are tight.
tight, 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 yeah!
Whoa! Steady on. Looking good. Wait, why are there these other screws? Where does this come from? Why am I so alarmed? I found more screws. Right, these are for the case. Don't panic. They're to go in later. Right, okay. Now, we're going to put these guys back in. Remember these? Huh? There's something wonderfully calming about disassembling and assembling something. It's almost got like a Lego type of feeling to it. I don't even know what the purpose of these bits is. I'm screwing back on, yeah. Okay, those are in. Next, let's put this guy back on. And give this a spin. Upside down. Oh my word, I'm still trying to assemble it. I haven't put the flippy drive in. I've put the connector for the flippy drive in, the ribbon cable. This is the flippy drive. I'm almost about to reassemble the whole damn thing. Oh my goodness. I'm such a moron. Okay. So here we've got the flippy drive. We've got a tiny little hinge here. This needs to be up. Plug this ribbon cable. There's a couple little triangles to spot here. Oh. That felt pretty nice, pretty good. Let's put that hinge back down. Beautiful. Now I'm actually going to insert my my SD card now. This way around, I imagine. Nice, yeah, nice little click there. All right, so this bit here just goes into this little well. Then this bit goes in here. I found if you pull this back, it kind of stretches in place. I think that'll be just fine. I could find a screw for just there. I might look for one actually. The completionist in me wants to find a screw for there. Now watch as I screw this into my own finger like an idiot. That's kind of a bit ramshackle, but who cares? Let's go ahead and put the top back on. See if this actually works. Oh wait, should I just test it first before I put the top on? Okay, I'm going completely without the disk drive now because I've had so much trouble with it. I've got this cool little tiny cap and this is going in here to stick it all in place. Oh, what a nice fit. Hopefully that should work. Let's see, I'm just going to test it without it being put back together again. Trying not to get electrocuted. There's the orange light. Come on, baby. Give me something. No, nothing. So basically, for the longest time, it just wasn't working. I tried doing it without the original disk drive to see if that would work. It still wouldn't. I ended up having to order some isopropyl alcohol and some compressed air as a last-ditch effort to get it working. To my surprise, it actually did work. However, I already had the disk drive removed and I wasn't going to mess with it now it was working. So I'm keeping it off. Oh my word, I almost forgot to show you the flipping thing working. Okay, here we go. There's the orange light. Here we go. Alright, and then kapow! In all its blurry, blurry glory. Obviously, these are backups of all games that I actually own because, as we said before, piracy is a crime. And also, crime is illegal. Alright, I think that pretty much wraps up the video. Thanks for watching if you've watched this far. To sum up, only order this mod chip if you've got 9 months to spare. And for God's sake, don't use this as a tutorial video. Huh. Uh-huh. Fuck. And also, what the hell am I meant to do with the disk drive now it's out? I can't throw it away, but I can't use it for anything. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.